All right, hello everyone. I am going to go ahead today and show you how to create an assignment for an individual in a class. And the assignment that I'm going to create is actually for my own children during this time that we are quarantined here and doing some homeschooling. So as I get organized for next week, I want to use Google Classroom, which I have set up for my kiddos, and I'm going to go over to classwork, and I'm going to hit create here. I'm going to create assignment, and this is going to be week of April 13th is what I'll say. This will actually be for my son. And I'm going to type some instructions in here for him. Here is your document from the middle school for this week. Please turn it in at the end of the week when you've completed all of your work for your teachers. All right, and I want to go ahead and add, and I'm going to again use a link. This actually came off our website. Oops, I got to grab my link copy here. So I'm going to go over, this is the Continuous Learning Parent Hub, and I'm just going to pass that along to him so he has access to what he needs this week. And I'm going to hit share over here and copy the link so that he can view it just like I can. Come back into Google Classroom and we will hit add link, and I will paste that right in there and hit add link, and so there's that document for him. He'll be able to view that. Got a little warning symbol here. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see, I guess it will tell me you can only attach files you have permission to share. You will need to make a copy, which I think it will automatically do for me. And then over here, just Elijah and Maddie, my two own kiddos, are in this Google Classroom, and I don't want that to go to Maddie, and so I will unselect her, and this will only go out to Elijah. I'm not going to make it graded. I'm going to go ahead and add a due date, and I'll probably have him turn it in Friday, and I'm going to go ahead and put in kind of 3 o'clock, which is kind of the typical end of the school day. I am going to go ahead and put this under our topic that we already have outlined called schedules and resources. Yeah, and I think we're ready. So once I'm ready, I have a couple options here. I can assign, schedule this. If I didn't want it to go out to him till Sunday, let's say, I could schedule it for then, or save it if I wanted to continue to make some edits to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and assign it so that I've got it ready for the week. We'll actually be using this. So here's where it says I don't have permission to attach that file, so it'll have to make a copy, which again, I'll go ahead and do. And voila. And right here, schedules and resources, week of April 13th, that will show up in Elijah's classroom as an assignment for him to do. He can see the due date right over here. That's all. Have a great day.